Hello guys, this is your healthy lifestyle coach, Sports Complex. We'll introduce the activation exercise series, which is good to make normal body functions and effective movement patterns. Practice the proper movement with this video and use it for your training. Hip hinge. Stand with your feet hip width apart and put a towel on the back side of your body. Place your right palm facing your neck and hold the upper part of the towel with your right hand. If your right shoulder is uncomfortable, you can hold the top of the towel above your head. Place the back side of your left hand towards your low back and hold the low part of the towel with your left hand. Straighten your back to touch the towel with your back of your head, your upper back, and your tailbone in the starting position. As you move, make sure all three contact points stay in touch. Inhale and maintain your knees bent about 10 degrees and flex your hips deeply. Move your waist onto your heels slightly and push your buttocks backwards. Lean your upper body forward as deep as you can, maintaining the proper position. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds at the bottom and slowly come back to the starting position with exhalation. Repeat for about 10 times and switch your hands to do the exercise in the same way.